Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to download Davinci Resolve 20 on PC or laptop. So let's start. So first let's go to Davinci Resolve, and here on the principal page you will find the link for download your program. So you have to click here on download, and then will appear that you have to register. In this case, I register. You have to write your name, email address, as well as your phone number, your country, city, etc. So you can download and free download the program. Then when you download, you can start installing it. In my case, as you can see, it's installing it, and while it's downloading in a zip format, and then when it's ready, you can start using DaVinci Resolve 20. So that is how it works, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.